side, we've got a camper van and we've got normally all the bits in the back, so we've lost like the bags for it, so I had to bring out like a 1980s backpack.
I'm going to chip myself out.
Oh yeah, mate, they're well comfy. You get like the double ones as well, so you can actually lay down and sleep. Towels.
The beard, dirty beard fucking things. You used to get a kid.
Towels. Hey, no, right, yeah. I have seen one, yeah. Towels. And then you get how about yourself?
This morning, I got crisp breath. We out here, still waiting. I think it's like 6 o'clock now. I don't even know what time I got here. Let me think. Yeah, I can't remember, but we out here still waiting.
In the pubs and stuff already.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say Thursday night's normally like the Friday night round here, because then everyone goes home on Friday, so everyone's busy with that.
Morning set in. I know, sticking a camera in your face, don't mind me. Looks so peaceful now.
I feel like giving the lips and treatment.
I do kind of want to go with shapes.
No, don't be mean.
Oh, yeah.
That's how Jimmy get the badge in.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Says it all.
Nah, you didn't. You was effortless. You was effortless, bro.
8 out of 10 for effort.
Nothing you can do unless you turn the other way around. Come on, I love these pants. You know these? I think they're almost the actual perfect cut of the trousers, like ever. Like,
they're not just skinny, they're not just baggy,
no,
they're just
they
like
are literally
carrot.
like, and the best thing is that
they're not so bad.
Be a carrot fit.
it's the
carrot fit.
it's the shape
Covered
at
in
the
shit,
bottom.
look at me, coffee all
I
over
think
me.
they're-
You fucking crab.
It's the perfect.
Wait till me mother sees you. Me and you rock bag.
Have we got a carrier bag?
Yeah, really dope pair, man.
Cheers, man. They go deal, I mean, do get them in. I think I've got these in Debenhams in a
Yeah.
sale, like £130 in Debenhams, like half price or something.
Yeah.
Thank you.
If you guys can get as close to the wall as you can, please.
Alright, guys, you go. Alright, everyone step back a bit. Step back
So
a
I'm not
bit.
trying to jump the gun.
They finally opened it, look. We're just waiting. 9.5, yeah.
On what size? 7. And a size 7.
Almost there, guys. Almost there. No more 10s.
No more 10s.
You see, let the man that jumped in grab a 10. I'll grab a. They got 9.5. No 9.5.
Is there a 9.5?
Good job,
Success.
man. Success.
LG2.
Well done. LG2.